behind the scenes, the new Nerf War. No.
I'm gonna mess up your shot and make it blow up on you.
Alright, okay, so what this requires, guys, this requires like 2 shots from you guys. So pick guns that you're not gonna use and just like shoot at us so we get down, okay? But you have to be in the fort, okay?
Wait, so pick guns we don't want? What?
Like, yeah, just like for really quick so we don't have to reload it.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Oh!
You said
Alright guys, we are commencing battle.
Try not to hit the camera.
Yeah, boys.
You can watch you do the legs and like get a shot.
No, because if you hit me in the head, then I'll be mad. Because we'll have to start over.
Stop!
Stop!
First of all, Walter smacked me in the face with a bullet.
No, I didn't. It went right past your face. I watched it.
That's fine.
Oh, you mean the one that bounced? That bounced off the wall.
Okay.
And also, this gun jams a lot.
Alright.
Careful by this printer.
Nick.
Push it back.
Nick.
Yep.
You're gonna hit the paper thing up there.
Abram.
Hey,
Yeah, just push it
I
back.
mean, if it is us.
Jill? You want
Mr. President, get down!
Yeah, he was in too hard a place.
Just to shout, get down, Mr. President, as loud as you can, and then attack.
Get down, Mr. President!
Alright, guys. We're gonna start filming. We're already recording.
Whoa!
Get down!
Nick, they're watching us!
Are we ready?
Yeah!
Alright. Try not to shoot at us either, because it's not fun to get shot at.
Especially not in the eye.
No, not no.
And I know
I
that.
do what?
Okay, so then get down, you know, act all mobby like, I guess, if that's okay, don't be crazy. This is still a serious time for one. Ready?
Behind the back. Ooh.
Oh!
I'm not ready for this.
Y'all ready for this?
No. No, I'm not ready.
Y'all ready for this?
No.
Oh no, they weren't ready for that.
Mm.
Nope. Down, Bessie.
Down, Betsy.
You ready now? Y'all ready for this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm ready for you.
I'm ready.
Oh wait, no, I don't even have my clip in.
Leo, you
Where's
ready?
it? Where is? Oh, Leo. It's over here. No, is that it? No. I can't even find. Oh, there it is.
Jill, you ready?
Hey, whoa, get your gun off.
Get down, Mr. President. Get down, Mr. President.
They've done it like 3 times.
Get down, Mr. President.
I just shoot all the security guard, all my Secret Service guys.
Yeah.
Haha.
But come on, let's get this done.
Hey.
We have an hour, so.
Wait,
Sorry.
where are we going in an hour?
You guys are leaving.
Oh, we are?
Yeah. Alright, ready?
This is the last shoot.
Go.
Y'all ready for this?
Yeah. You.
And action. Ah, I got hit in the head.
Dang it!
Stupid
That
gun will
bullet-
reload ever!
That bullet curved.
Stupid.
Alright, we'll call this one. Because we still have to do one with.
Why is this gun so stupid?
You are! I've heard! Leo's shoes aren't on yet.
Ugh. Look at it, Abram. Don't shut up.
Rolling!
12. Dang it.
Rolling.
Got him.
Yeah. Rolling.
We got him.
Stupid gun will reload ever!